Okay, for this last one, we're going to be working with artboards, and you can just follow the directions on this last artboard here. Change this artboard to horizontal. And I know for a fact that that was one of the questions that I had on my certification exam. So we are going to go to Window and open up the Artboard Options panel. And we want to go to this artboard, which is the last one, even though it says 6 up here. We're going to go to Artboard 8, and we're going to make it horizontal by clicking this and going to Artboard Options. When you get this window up, you can see orientation. So right now it's vertical, and we're going to make that one horizontal and say OK. So the next thing it says to do is to delete the empty artboards 5 and 7. So we're going to go over here and say delete empty artboards. So we got rid of those. The next thing it says is arrange them in a column. So you can do that over here. See where this little symbol is, rearrange? Click on that. And right now you can see we have everything in a row. We want to arrange it by column. So we're going to click column, and I want you to space them 50. So go over here and type in 50 and say OK. So now we have them in a row, or in a column rather. And the last thing we need to do is to set the printing option to ignore all artboards. Okay, this is a very abstract thing that you would not have to do very often, but I have seen it on the test. So the way you do that is actually in the print window. So you're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Print. You're not actually going to print, but you're just going to set it up. Press Print, and you're going to, you want everything to print on one paper, all the artboards on one paper. So you would choose Ignore Artboards, and that would put everything onto one piece of paper. When you're done, don't say print because we're not actually printing. You can just press done, and that's how you're going to do it on the test too.